welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video I am going to review, swatch and talk about the Sugar Mini lipstick. So let's start this video. So Sugar Mini lipsticks comes in a packaging like this, and you will get the logo sign over here, or इसके पीछे you will get all the details. That means MRP of product is 799 rupees. Net weight of each individual lipstick is 1.1 ml, which is 4.4 ml of whole lipsticks, and this is like cruelty free product, which is good, and the duration of the product is 12 months. So yeah, and by the way, it is matching my eyeshadow somehow. Cool. And I'm going to throw it away, then talk about this product over here. So it comes in a box like this. This is teen sort of a box, which reminds me of old lunch box or geometry box jo hote the. Then when you open it, you will get all of the shade. Individual shade you can't buy, but you have to buy 4 shades, so you can get the idea of big lipsticks, which is quite good. And this is not very less product. मैंने बहुत सारे review video देखी थी. They were like complaining like there is like very less product, but each lipstick cost you around 200 rupees, or some on some website like Purple and Nykaa they are selling it for 999 या, बट आई डोंट थिंक, मतलब इस पे पैकेजिंग पे तो 799 है, तो अगर 999 वाला अलग बॉक्स है, आई डोंट नो, बट या आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट देम. On the website there is like huge range of shades you can choose from, and I didn't buy the shade, it just comes in an offer. There is like only on Sugar website there is like a offer going on, like अगर आप 1000 rupees की shopping करते हैं, you will get like lipstick either or other item as well, or you will get the discount coupon as well. So this is how the packaging is going to look, and it has like pricing on it which is 249. I don't know if you can buy this individually or not, क्योंकि outer packaging में clearly mentioned था you cannot buy this individually, and there is pricing, but I would not prefer you buy it individually. I would prefer it अगर आप इसे buy करेंगे तो फिर एक box में ही buy करें. So this is the shade number 14 Tech Mystic. And when you open it, you will get the shade इसके bottom पे, and this is how the lipstick is going to look. This is like quite tiny I guess, क्योंकि ये मेरे fingers से भी बहुत छोटू सा है, and I like it because it's too cute. But to be honest, this is very less. I didn't think like it is going to look this tiny, but that's okay because I didn't paid for it. I would prefer कि आप भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा, मतलब अगर 1000 का ख़रीद रहे हैं तो उसमें 500 और ऐड करें, तो ये लिपस्टिक अगर आपको मिल जाती है, दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी गुड. बट आई वुड नॉट प्रेफर आप 799 इस पे खर्च करो, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, इन माई ओपिनियन. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द वॉन्ड इज़ गोइंग टू लुक. ऐसा नहीं है कि छोटा सा प्रोडक्ट है तो दे जस्ट चीट ऑन द वॉन्ड और होल प्रोडक्ट. वॉन्ड बिल्कुल सिमिलर है जैसे बड़े प्रोडक्ट के या बड़े लिपस्टिक में आप यूजुअली देखते हैं. द वॉन्ड इज़ क्वाइट गुड, और ऐसा कुछ मतलब ख़राबी नहीं लग रही मुझे इसमें. सो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस, और मैं इसको So there is no product on my lips. I am going to apply the shade number 14, and this is Tech Mystic. I am going to mention the shade on screen somewhere, like so you will get the idea, because I am very bad at pronouncing name. So it is pretty pigmented. So here I come with a conclusion on these lipstick. These lipsticks have like very different sort of formula, which is very different from others. I have tried like bit lipsticks like from Smashbox, Huda Beauty, and other cheap lipstick like Blue Heaven, Kiss Beauty, and others. So I'm going to quickly mention the good and bad side of these lipstick. Firstly, I'm going to go with the good side. On the good side, they have like really good pigmentation. You don't need to dip the wand again and again in the bottle. You just need like 1 to 2 swipes. It has like beautiful pigmentation and इसकी वजह से ना आपको बार बार इस प्रोडक्ट को खरीदने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. छोटा सा लिपस्टिक जो है आपको लॉन्ग टर्म में चल जाएगा क्योंकि आपको बार बार इसको अप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ़ it is good side or a bad side, but I'm going to clearly mention these lipstick doesn't come with any kind of perfume. Those people who are very sensitive to perfume or perfume products, ये उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है क्योंकि इसमें किसी भी तरह की स्मेल नहीं आती, ना किसी केमिकल की ना किसी फ्लोरल परफ्यूम की. सो दिस इज़, आई थिंक दिस इज़ द गुड साइड ऑफ एनी कॉस्मेटिक. And here I come with the bad sides of these lipstick. First point is the formula is super drying, like super dry. So earlier I was mentioning like the lipstick formula is very different from other brands. That is why I was saying like the formula is super drying. अगर आप नीचे के lips में लगाएंगे फिर then आप you have to go to your upper lips, right? तो तब तक ही लगाने के साथ ही आपका जो lower lips की lipstick होगी वो क्विकली ड्राई हो जाती है. इट टेक्स लाइक 3 to 10 seconds टू ड्राई. बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉर्मूला इज़ वेरी ड्राइंग. सो वेन एवर यू ट्राई टू स्माइल, या वी स्माइल, वी आर ह्यूमन. सो अगर जब भी आप हंसते हैं तो यू विल गेट दोज लाइन्स. मतलब क्लियरली एक किसी चीज़ में आप पेंट करते हैं उसको थोड़ा स्ट्रेच करेंगे तो यू विल गेट द क्रैक. तो ये लिपस्टिक उसी तरह से परफॉर्म करती है, विच आई डोंट लाइक इन द लिपस्टिक. आई लाइक लिपस्टिक्स, दोज लिपस्टिक लाइक मूज और सॉर्ट ऑफ सेटनी काइंड ऑफ लिपस्टिक विच सेटल डाउन इन योर लिप्स क्रैक. I don't know how to describe this, but I like those lipstick. They perform like very natural और बहुत अच्छी तरह से वो perform करती है. So in my opinion. So it was my final thought on these lipsticks. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends who wants to buy liquid lipsticks, and you can subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and hit the notification bell button next to it so you will get notified every time I post any video. You can tell me in the comment section as well what lipstick shade is looking good on me, and you can comment down other Sugar Cosmetic lipstick, the dabba I have. I'm going to share the video for you, and not any introduction and outro, just the swatches and the application, so you will get the idea of the shade. So yeah, thank you, bye bye, and take care.